I often get asked, why should you bother reading books when you can just watch a quick summary? Well, here's the thing. Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. And no, you can't train your body by just watching workout videos. Here are 3 powerful benefits of reading that you can't afford to miss. 1. Reading sharpens your focus. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. In just 5 minutes, the average person switches between working, texting, and scrolling on their phone. No wonder stress levels are through the roof. But here's the fix. When you read, your mind focuses entirely on the story. It's like meditation. You block out the noise, immerse yourself, and come out more focused and productive. Try reading for 15 minutes before work and watch your concentration skyrocket. 2. Reading reduces stress. Feeling stressed or overwhelmed? Pick up a book. It's like a vacation for your mind. Studies show that reading is the most effective way to relax. It's better than music, coffee, or even taking a walk. Just 6 minutes of reading can lower your heart rate and muscle tension. When you lose yourself in a book, you forget your worries and come back with a clearer, calmer mind. 3. Reading keeps your brain healthy. Reading is a workout for your brain. Just like exercise keeps your body fit, reading keeps your mind sharp and slows cognitive decline as you age. And here's the best part. Everything you read adds to your knowledge. Even if you lose your job, possessions, or money, your knowledge is something no one can take away. So, whether you want to focus better, de-stress, or keep your brain sharp, start reading today. What's your favorite book? Drop it in the comments. And if this inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's grow together, one page at a time.